Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you one of the professional players game, Fujisawa-Rina vs Ichiriki-Ryo. Fujisawa-Rina is one of the top player in Japan. She is the strongest woman player now, and Ichiriki-Ryo is also top player in Japan. Yeah, and he is also always making the very amazing result in the World Championship. Yeah. And they had a matching, yeah, so I'm gonna explain for this game. Fujisawa was black and Ichiriki-Ryo, he was white. You know, Fujisawa is very famous because his grandfather was one of the strongest player, yeah, before. So now black plays nice move and approach, and wow, here, yeah, very active, right? Yeah, AI always recommend us to approach again, even the black stone is here. If white want to play just simply, then 2 space jump is used, and I can see Ichiriki-Ryo's game style, and he's a very active style. And black approach here, and double 3 space jump here, and okay, first second joseki is here. Yeah, this is alpha good joseki. If black just doesn't play anything there, then white 1 space jump is good. Yeah, you can see that if black can exchange one time and play here, then even the white plays here, then later black can catch up, can save here anytime. Yeah, that's why this is a very good exchange for black. So black plays here and the white cannot accept. Then usually white has to jump, and I think maybe if you studied this before, then maybe you may know this is very famous alpha good joseki. So extend here. Yeah. After this, if black really want to capture the corner, then black can just cut here, and that's gonna be the capturing race. But you know, what we are thinking is this is not so big. That's why just black immediately tenuki there, and here, and here white has decided to play the extend here. Yeah, this joseki is the something that I don't really prefer to use it. Yeah, most of the time I like to use this one. Yeah, and then push here and make maybe 2 space jump. Yeah, this is simple, isn't it? Yeah, or extend here. There will be one more time. Yeah, and why white decided to play this move? Then just like if white decided to use until now, I think maybe this is not good. It's not like good or bad. Just we are just finding out what we like. I think Ichiriki-Ryo, he doesn't like after catch up the sente. You know, black stone is here. Then if white plays a 2 space jump, maybe he doesn't like this distance. That will be the reason. Then if he doesn't like it after catch up the sente, he cannot find out anything good move. Then he just want to play good move in the local area. The reason is if white plays here, this here, and black pushes here, there is no this exchange. This is like kind of self-atari. Maybe self-atari may not be very suitable word, but if we don't exchange 4 and 5, definitely that will be better for white. Yeah, that's why when we just want to play good move in the local area, then we just decided to play here. Yeah, instead of catching the sente. So now, oh, Fujisawa, yeah, she is very tough. Decided to have a call. It was cool because black had a many call thread there. Yeah. Now if white just ignore here, there was some bad exchange, but this cutting is much different, you know. If white plays here, then black doesn't have to surround the inside. And of course white cannot consider this move. Yeah. Now this is also not good. That's why white had to answer in the actual game. This is what he designed, but AI was saying this was not good. Maybe in the actual game, if this was my game, I will consider between A or disconnecting. To be honest, I think I will consider A more. Yeah, here later the reason is this extending is sente, then means black has a many aji like this, or that means anytime black just invade here, white has to answer one more move here. Yeah, because of that aji. But AI is thinking, yeah, having here and there will be, you know, many things is sente, like this jump or anything he can do that. There was a more value. This is what AI think. The reason is I think maybe the upper side will be good for black. That's why I think, yeah, 44 it wasn't really good. But still, yeah, we can't say black will win because of this kind of a mistake. Yeah, so white couldn't find the core thread. So now, wow, it's so amazing. Yeah, Fujisawa just Yeah, capturing will not be enough. So she just even want to make one more exchange and the capture. Then white is very how to say, very heavy shape now. That's why capture should be, but there is code thread. Wow, I think this decision was amazing. Yeah, somehow when they had the trading, looks like black has got much better benefit than white. Yeah. And here, wow, it's very good technical skill. To be honest, if I play with black, maybe I will just think about jump. Yeah. You can see why she is a grandson of the Fujisawa Shuko. Yeah, her grandson was grandfather was, you know, really famous, and he was very famous for the like using such taisuji. This combination was very beautiful. Like hane and then attach and then save this, and making the two cutting point. Yeah, and just move out hane. She read until now. Yeah, and then hane and this. Oh, this kind of taisuji is very difficult to use, because if black couldn't use it right way, then it will be worse. Yeah, just like let's say that if black just couldn't know how to handle, then they both will get trouble. Yeah, and in the actual game, she showed me this move. Yeah, but I think this was a little bit mistake, I guess. Yeah, maybe if white captures, then black wanna just sacrifice this. Yeah. You can see that the sacrifice position was really it's acceptable for black, because if black just cut here, this Atari is gonna be sente. Black can make basically all the sente, and here even this will be sente too, and then, you know, the lower side will be good for black. So that was okay, but the problem is I was curious too before I put the AI. Yeah, if white just extend here, this will be very bad exchange. Then if black just cut here, white can step back couple times. So AI was showing me, instead of cut, this cut was one of the taisuji. Yeah, but I think no, AI taught me black should cut this first. Yeah, and then need to check the white answer. If white answered the same as just now, oh, I forgot here. Black can even consider to move, because black has got a lot already. You know, now this timing is very important. If black doesn't cut there and then just push, and then let's say that it will be like this, then, and however we play here. Later if black cut here, of course white will play Atari this side. Yeah, here. So nothing was trouble. But if black cut here first, then now sacrifice is acceptable, and then she can do what she wants, something like this. Here aji is very not clean. Even black can change the sequence, something like there are too many aji. What does black have to do? There are so happy choice now. I think even later this way will be okay too. Yeah, anyway, I think it's really happy for yeah, because white really have to play carefully. White cannot just play like that. Easily white will get into the trap. So in the actual game, cutting was actually looks great, but that was too greedy. Yeah, but in the actual game, white didn't play at C. I think maybe Ichiriki-Ryo was afraid of cutting. Yeah, so he just extend here. So become it was a chance. If black decided to block here like this, then this game was, I think, okay for black. I think when white plays here, I guess maybe this was very not difficult to see. Although simply we can read this move. We can read here. It doesn't work. But if black just goes out here, I think it was pretty hard for white. Because this, and now black can Atari here. Sequence is very important. Yeah. The reason is, in the actual game, black just exchanged this first, then this was super bad exchange. Yeah, you can see that if like this, maybe it's quite hard to understand, but you can see that. Let's say that there is no Atari. If this was same as just now, okay, like this. Sorry, it's a bit confused, right? Something like this. If there is no exchange this, then this push and cut will be very annoying for white. Yeah, here, then extend here, and captures, and this here, and then block here. Yeah. So in the actual game, I think maybe here reading wasn't really clean. That's why exchange and here. So still, this game was very hard. And Ichiriki-Ryo, yeah, he started to use the Tetsuji. Yeah. Normally when we get this move, that we feel very annoying. Yeah, isn't it? That means this is good move. If black just Hane and then double Hane. And now white is asking to black, do you want to connect here? Then I will capture this by Sente. There will be cool again if white Hane, black need to answer. Wow, here is so white. Black cannot accept this. What about black just capture this? Then cut this way and make all the Sente. And then when black return here, this is also same. This is so white. So we will never ever accept this Hane, yeah, in this situation. Usually black need to extend, but now if white can surround the black's group, then this exchange will be very good for white. That's why ignore, because you can see that if white plays here, then black can just connect. Yeah, nothing is trouble. Yeah. So white plays here, ignore is very really understandable. So now, wow, this fighting is so amazing. Yeah. Okay, so this game is very hard because the now key point is that their push and cut is not really okay. Yeah, because if white plays here, black can capture this. Yeah, nothing is gonna work. So their pushing part doesn't still work. And then whether white need to return to capture this, because here is a kind of a neutral point. Maybe better than neutral point, but we really do not want to go back. So here, white has played here, but yeah, now Tetsuji, finding Tetsuji is very hard, but AI said that right Tetsuji was this one. After I put, I can understand. Because if black block here now cutting, the ladder doesn't work. That means 4 stones are very valuable. If white can capture 4 stones, you know, white doesn't have to waste 1 step here. It was very natural. And in the actual game, yeah, white pip here, and here, yeah, I think they even do not have an idea where they are playing. Yeah, here the vital point was same as just now. This was the vital point what black had to use. Then black was not bad this game. Yeah, definitely black, this move can make white to return here 1 more step later. Yeah. But in the actual game, yeah, black just decided to move, and then she decided to play here, but it was 1 timing late. The reason is between 93 and 94, it doesn't seem good for, it looks not good for black. Yeah, if that was like same as just now and then cut here, I think black will extend here. Yeah, extending was much better, cannot compare. It really cannot compare, you know. Here if white return, the black can capture by ladder, then this was okay for black. But after this and then this shape become little bit broken. Yeah, that's why now it's like black was supposed to, black should handle 2 groups. Yeah, this group and the lower side, and white just need to take care of the 1 group. That's why this become white was better. Yeah, it's still very complicated, but white is not bad. And Ichiriki-Ryo still can, he was using very soft move. And then, yeah, number 20 is asking white, asking black whether I can save this, will you answer or not? And then now Ichiriki-Ryo is using also Tetsuji as well. If you answer, then I will play here. When you answer, I will not connect there. Yeah, something like this. That's why now Ichiriki-Ryo is asking again. Then you give up this one, I will keep. Yeah, when you answer, then I will just get your bad exchange. Yeah, so now that they, sorry, here, and they just made, they are just fighting for the center very hard. Yeah, and finally black return here. Now is like very close game. Yeah, now I think if white decided to use the gentle move, then white can make center and then just jump here. Then this was a very close game. The game is starting from now. Who played the better ending game will be the winner. Yeah, they fought a lot. Yeah, starting from beginning, but still is very close. Yeah, but now white is. I think the Ichiriki-Ryo really wanted to have a sente. Sorry, it wasn't actual game. Yeah, in the actual game, Yeah, Atari, and then use the Tetsuji. I think maybe Ichiriki-Ryo was thinking that this was the timing. Yeah, if black just decided to cut here, yeah, now he can save there. And if black answers here, I don't even have to explain. This is very painful for black. Yeah, white can do it by center and then just return here. Then of course white will, white is leading the game. So who is black now? Fujisawa-Rina. Tough, right? She knows that what he won. Yeah, so if white won all the respawn here, then black can use Tetsuji here. Then this is in trouble. Yeah, even though black will give up here, if lower side is big, still black can lead this game. So now it's messed up again. I don't know who is winning, and this is Tetsuji. I think also very complicated, but I think this Tetsuji wasn't really good anyway. Yeah, nothing was working. I think maybe white want to make the center here. Yeah. So starting from now, yeah, it was a very complicated game, but I think the black can just decided to tenuki here. Yeah, here is one of the main area where black had to fight. Yeah, and when black captures here, if white just return here, then that was a very close game as well. Yeah, now it's still very difficult. But they are keep fighting very hard, but finally black decided to go here first. Then white was responsible to save this. I guess maybe, I'm not sure how he read. If black just respawn here, then still white has a chance to capture this, so there was no problem. But Fujisawa-Rina find out winning move, that was a pip. Pip was a very nice timing. Because if black just used the same as just now, then black doesn't have to waste one more step here, then this is gonna be dead. Yeah, isn't it amazing? The timing was amazing. So Ichiriki-Ryo was supposed to answer. Yeah, he had to answer, but the problem is that when he saved there, black had a chance to save this. Yeah, still white can save. You can see that in the actual game. This connect Atari. If black just decided to capture, then even Atari, then white can connect. And cutting is gonna be also okay. Yeah, but now you can see that winning move when Ichiriki-Ryo plays here, tiger's mouth. So white must answer, isn't it? Yeah. Otherwise, if black just captures, then white is all dead. Answer, but there is flower call. This was fantastic winning move. Yeah. White need to capture, and then when he used the code thread, when she used the code thread, really nothing to answer because black captures back that white can't use any code thread. Yeah, and the problem is that there will be more code thread. That's why I think it was just no choice. He had to do that, and yeah, Fujisawa-Rina, such a tough here. And yeah, he wanted to have a capturing race, but nothing is gonna work. You know, now black has a big shape. Yeah, capturing race is really impossible. It's not called the capturing race now. Yeah, do you wanna see that? This one, I think even no need to really put. Yeah, here captures here. It's not even close. Yeah, it's very, very, very different now. It's not like just one step or two steps. Yeah. Simply black white white is just that. So wow, for I think that until now, yeah, they fought a lot, and then Ichiriki-Ryo was, he wanted to press more, but yeah, sorry, not this actual king. I have to make sente. 1, 2, pip, not this, pip. This was a winning move. Yeah, it made white could punish the black could punish the white group. Yeah, it was amazing. So it was like really such tough game. Yeah, it was very cool. Okay, so today I show you one of the best player, the woman player in Japan. Yeah, it was a very nice game. Yeah, everybody, if you enjoyed to watch this video, then please like and subscribe. Then see you guys next time. Bye.